Unraveling the meaning of right on, an easy guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning of a very interesting phrase, right on. It's a phrase you might have heard in movies, songs, or in casual conversation. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your own conversations. Let's get started. Right on is a phrase that's packed with meaning and history. It's an informal way of showing agreement or approval. Imagine your friend tells you about a decision they've made and you think it's a great decision. You can simply say, right on, to show your support. But it's not just about agreement. It's also about showing enthusiasm. If someone shares good news or an exciting idea, right on is like saying, that's fantastic. The phrase, right on, has its roots in American English, especially within African American Vernacular English, AAVE. It became particularly popular during the 1960s and 1970s as part of the civil rights movement. Back then, it was a way to express solidarity and support for the movement. Over time, its use has become more widespread and generalized, losing some of its political connotations. In modern English, right on is used in a variety of contexts. It's more commonly heard in informal settings like casual conversations among friends, social media, or in creative works like music and films. Remember, it might not be appropriate in formal situations. For instance, saying, right on, in a business meeting might come across as too casual or even unprofessional. Let's look at some examples. 1. Agreement. If your friend says, I think we should go to the beach this weekend, responding with, right on, shows you agree with the plan. 2. Support. When someone achieves something, like getting a new job, saying, right on, is a way to show your happiness and support for them. 3. Enthusiasm. If someone shares an exciting idea, responding with, right on, can show your genuine enthusiasm and encouragement. Right on is more than just a phrase. It's a part of English language history and culture. It's a versatile expression that can add flavor to your conversations, especially in informal settings. We hope this video helps you understand and use right on confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you in the next video.